Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to add music to VLC Media Player so you can easily play your favorite songs on your computer. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Click on the search box on your computer, type VLC, and select VLC Media Player from the results to launch the application. This opens the player where all your media can be played and managed. Step 2. Open the folder where your music file is saved. Then drag the file and drop it directly into the VLC Media Player window. This quickly adds and starts playing the music without using any menu options. Method 2. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player from your desktop, Start menu or Search. Step 2. Click on the Media tab at the top left of the window. This tab contains important options for opening files, disks, and network streams in VLC. Step 3. Click on Open File from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to browse and select any audio file stored on your device. Step 4. Browse your device storage and select the music file you want to add. This helps you choose the exact song or audio you want to play. Step 5. Click on Open to load the file into VLC Media Player, and your selected music will start playing immediately. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.